Hey everybody, I just wanted to talk to you today about the CRL plastic scrapers that we sell. This is something that almost every RV technician at every shop in the United States keeps some kind of a plastic scraper like this. So these scrapers are non-marring, which means they're not going to scratch or make marks on your coach. So we use these for a number of different reasons. We use them to scrape off all the body sealants. We use them to take off decals. We use them to pop off moldings. We use them to install insert moldings and to remove insert moldings. This is what we use on the roofs to scrape off all the dicor sealant, the alpha sealant. If you have geocell, Boss silicone, or any other kind of sealant products on the coach, this is what we're using. So when I say that, when we sell these, they come in a couple different ways. They come with a chisel tip, or they come with this double-ended piece. What we do with these is we take them over to a grinder, so you can use them on a sandpaper, on a file. Even back in my early days when I did mobiles, there was a couple times like, oh, I forgot my sandpaper and file. I've even sharpened them on some cement. So what I want to show you today is how to sharpen them on a grinder, right? So basically got a grinder. I'm going to sharpen the edge of this. Let's get some safety glasses on. Now I look cool. I'm going to sharpen the edge of this and show you what I do. So basically what I've done is I've created a sharp, almost like a chisel end edge on both sides of this. Now they do sell a handle where this will slip in and tie into a handle. You want to be careful. I've got a couple scars on my hand where I've slipped and actually stabbed myself with these. So if you're not purchasing the handle from us, we usually will take and wrap a little bit of duct tape or masking tape or something on the end, or just sharpen one side at a time. But the reason I sharpen both sides is after you're using it for a little while, it will dull out. So usually when we're doing it, we get a couple, 2 or 3 of them, 4 of them, keep them all sharpened on us. So that way we're just trading out tools, and then we'll go back and sharpen them as we're doing it. Keep in mind when you're, removing, whether it be the sealant or the decals on the roof, you're up there and you're scraping on the coaches for a long period of time. So it's better to have the handle, but if not, again, the tape trick works. Another thing I want to show you is if you can see the way I've grinded on it, we make different ends to them as well. And I'm going to sharpen one just to show you what it will look like on a different end. So I'm going to sharpen it a different direction just to show you another way that we do it. So, and then here again, this one's just more of like a cutting edge, like you would cut with like a knife versus a scraping edge. You can still scrape with it sideways if you had a bigger surface and you needed to like whittle at it, but we'll sharpen them a couple different ways. And that helps us to get into tight places or to dig out certain areas on the silicones and on the body sealants. So hope you like these videos and stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Thank you.